Hi, I'm Dina Haddad, founder of Simple Mediated Divorce. As a divorce lawyer for over a decade, I saw the frustration and difficulty my clients experienced in court. The divorce process is complicated, expensive, and long, and those that couldn't afford a lawyer had to manage it without real help. It troubled me that they were shut out of professional services. Now, I'm excited to offer a flat-fee divorce mediation service to qualifying couples. I've created a step-by-step process so couples like yourselves can divorce at a fraction of the cost. The part I'm most proud of, the reduced cost doesn't mean you sacrifice quality. We are not just finishing your divorce forms. We want to empower you to negotiate the best agreement for you and your family. Check out our reviews on Google to see what we've been able to do for others just like you. Take our qualification test now and set up your free consultation today, so Simple Mediated Divorce can partner with you for your divorce so you can save your time and money for what's important in life.